Let's talk about QR codes, specifically how to put multiple links in just one code. Because here's something I notice all the time people are still creating a QR code for their website, another one for their Instagram, another one for their online store, and another one for their booking link. And the result? Your marketing materials look like a checkerboard. Let me save you time. You don't need four QR codes, you only need one if you use a multi-link QR code. What's a multi-link QR code? Think of it like a mini landing page. You can scan one QR code and it opens a page with multiple buttons or links. And this is incredibly useful for a lot of people. People like business owners promoting different services, creatives sharing portfolios and socials, restaurants with menus, promos, and delivery links, event organizers with schedules and registration maps, coaches and consultants needing booking, testimonials, and resources, brands running campaigns with multiple product pages. A single code, all your links, cleaner, smarter, more professional. Which QR code generators work best for multiple links? I tried a bunch, and here's what I found. QRTIGER, this one stands out the most for multi-link QR codes. You can build a full landing page, your own colors, your branding, your logo, and add multiple buttons, social links, files, videos, forms, booking sites, basically whatever you need. And the great part is, it's a dynamic QR code. So you can update your links anytime without replacing the actual QR code. This is a lifesaver for marketing materials that are already printed or published. You also get analytics. So if you're running a campaign, you can track which links people are actually clicking. Why a multi-link QR code is better than using multiple QR codes. Let's say you're a business owner launching a promo. Instead of putting four different QR codes on your poster, one for your menu, one for your order page, one for your Facebook, and one for your website, if you display just one code, or if you're networking, instead of sending people to just your website, you can give them a page that includes your LinkedIn, your email, your portfolio, your booking link, your company website. It's cleaner, more organized, and looks way more intentional. Final thought. If you want your QR codes to work harder for you, try using a multi-link QR code. It simplifies your branding, makes scanning easier for customers, and gives people everything they need in one place. QRTiger is a great place to start, especially if you want something customizable, professional, and dynamic. Try creating a multi-link QR code for your next project or campaign. It makes a big difference.